This is going to be a short vid about using Line-X on your trucks or on your any projects that's going to make it last forever. So this was a push bar on my truck, and it had rusted out almost completely. Here are the original bars. This is the bottom bar. As you can see, you can even see the seam. It started to, I sprayed it full of oil on the inside, and it came right through the seam. So no NFG. This is the upper bar, and yeah, it's not gonna last too much longer either. So what I've decided to do was I replaced the bottom bar with 1/8 inch, I think this is 2.5 by 2.5 square tube, and I have welded it in place. Yeah, not terrible weld. And cleaned up the rust on it. The next step is going to weld on the centerpiece, which is here. I'm in the process of cleaning this up using a sanding disc on my grinder. Get a nice, somewhat rough finish so that their etch coat and Line-X will bond forever. And I'm going to weld that in this position, mount my lights back on it after it's been Line-X'd. And the upper tube, I'm going to reuse the tube. I'm going to clean it up first and see how it is, but I'm going to reuse the tube. It don't need a lot of strength. This one is going to take a beating. If I bump into something, you know, I'm not worried about this. This will be fine. It's the other car that'll be totaled. Now, you have no idea how hard that was with one hand. But that's what you want. You want a slightly brushed out looking finish that's slightly rough. Don't want it to be too polished. I mean, nothing sticks to mirrors, right? This is a horribly messy job. That's what my face looks like. So, this is how you want it to look. Feels very nice, like really nice. That feels good. Full disclosure, another reason why I'm doing this in project at all, I've already done this once. I did this entire process, except the reinforced tube steel. I've already done this, and I used off-the-shelf BEDLINER, and it does not stand up to salt. The salted roads just destroyed it. Anywhere there was a corner or an edge, it just got right through it. And I put on, I can't remember, 5 cans or something like that. I really built up a thick, very, very thick finish on the entire thing, and it didn't stand up. I don't remember which brand it was. Probably Duplicolor or something like that. But anyway, so now I'm going to send it to professionals, get them to do it right. But I'm prepping it. This is the prep. Next, I'm going to weld it onto the rack. Yep, gotta love it. Polishing your pole. Alright, finished welding. A bit of a blob. I think that was my spot weld. Not bad. That's really close up, so I think it looks pretty good. I think it was not going anywhere. Yeah, she's right hot. But right after it cools down, I'm gonna give it a once over, make sure there's no slag, and then it's done. I'm gonna take it to BEDLINER guys, and they're gonna do their magic. I gotta mask off those things, but other than that, it's all done. Sorry if it's a little windy. Here's a BEDLINER project I did previously. I did a back rack on my truck, all welded out a 1x2 1/8" wall, and I had this done 4 years ago, I think, anyway, 4 years ago, and looks mint. There's a slight bulge here, but that's probably just water ingress and it froze. I'm not too concerned, but yeah, like that's pretty awesome. Outlasted the lights. The powder coat on the light is coming off, but this is in really good shape. War machine. I straightened one of these from a little bump I had, and I took the lights out of the back rack and just zip tied them in place so they don't drag on the ground until I get the push bars back on. But the truck looks naked without it. I do have the flashing lights white, so they're not illegal, strobing lights in the windshield, plus those lights and the back rack lights, which come on at the same time. They're insanely bright. Also have a train horn, 3 horns, 150 psi air pig, and a compressor, so everybody can hear me when I'm coming, or if they're driving too slow. Well, there you have it. Sorry for any road noise, but all done. I even put my logo on. Turned out spectacular. War machine. Finishes the look. This is the Eco Diesel 2014. Thanks for watching. Hit like and subscribe for future videos.